Yes, we do indeed live on a privileged planet. I'd like to start actually by quoting another physicist, a man who has won the Nobel Prize for physics, and he is Brian Schmidt, who writes as follows: "Humanity appears to be part of a remarkable set of circumstances involving a special time on a special planet which orbits a special star, all within a specially constructed universe. It is these conditions that have allowed humans to ponder our place in space and time. I have no idea why we are here, but I do know the universe is beautiful." Now, clearly, Brian Schmidt is not a Christian because he would not, if he were, say that he has no idea why we are here. A Christian knows why we are here. But speaking just as a physicist, just from his knowledge of science, he is able to say there is so much that is special about the Earth. And there are two aspects of this specialness. The first is a cosmic aspect. And by that I mean that the universe as a whole is fine-tuned to allow life to exist. That means that the laws of nature, and particularly the constants that appear in the laws of nature, are just right to permit life to exist. If they were just a little bit different, a very small amount, then life would be impossible. We would not have the kind of universe we have, we would not have planets, and we would not have life. So that is the first thing, the fine-tuning of the universe, of the cosmos, in respect of its scientific or natural laws. And then, of course, the other aspect is the terrestrial aspect. When we look at the planet Earth, we find that it is apparently unique in the universe, certainly unique in the solar system, in having all the necessary properties to allow life to develop and to flourish. We haven't got time to go into the details, but in order to have a life-sustaining planet, you've got to have the right kind of weather, you've got to have the presence of liquid water, you've got to have the right temperature, you've got to have the right consistency of temperature over perhaps long periods of time. You've got to have the right minerals in the soil. You've got to have the right balance of atmosphere to enable living things to breathe. So Earth is a privileged planet, and as far as we know, it is unique in the whole universe. And that is something that needs to be explained. And the simplest explanation, of course, is that it was designed to be this way by a creator God who knew what he was doing and knew what he wanted to produce and to create and to bring into existence. That is the reason, I believe, that we have a privileged planet.